I appreciate each and every one of you. Those of you that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate those of you that have subscribed. Those of you that has been dropping comment on the comment section. Those of you that have been sharing our videos. I want to use this opportunity. All of you are amazing. Today we are going to talk about PID. PID is a very common infection today around the world, which through research we discovered that it affects almost about 30 to 40% of women. Women have been battling with this problem, and some of them are even battling with fertility issue due to this PID. So please, I don't know where you're watching from. Share this video, even though you don't have the problem, it will reach that person that is battling with this PID, and that person is going to be blessed. We are blessed in order to bless others. We are going to tell you the causes of PID. When we talk about the causes, we'll talk about the symptoms of PID. Then we will talk about the herbal treatment, which common plan you can use to treat PID. Then we are going to talk about the prevention and how you can avoid for you not to get PID. So let's step in bumper to bumper and follow me up while we are talking about it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that when we drop any video, you can always be notified. Click that notification button. So PID, the common causes of PID is mostly caused by STDs. STDs, you can check them from below, like gonorrhea, like candidiasis, staph, and all that. It fall under sexual transmitted disease. So most of these cases can cause PID. And people that are battling with PID can easily face fertility problem. Most of them are battling with fertility problem. So I don't know where you're watching from. Just drop a comment below, share the live video, join me. Let's go on this journey of healing this African indigenous medicine. And most of these things that can cause PID can be abortion. It can be STDs, it can be abortion, it can be a woman having more than one man or meeting more than one man. Because most women, they have 3, 4, 5 different guys that they are always meeting with them. And if you are that type of a woman, those are the easiest causes of PID. First thing you need to do, check yourself regularly, especially people that are battling with STDs. They will tap the screen, share the live video. These are just symptoms. These are just causes of PID. These are the common causes. What about the symptoms? The symptoms is maybe painful menstruation, or maybe lower abdominal pains. All the time you always get that lower abdominal pains as a woman, or irregular menstruation. Your menstruation can be flowing throughout the whole month without stopping. Those are the symptoms. Or maybe painful urination. Once you start getting these common symptoms, please share this live video. You should reach that person that is battling with this PID. You don't have the PID today. Maybe you know about today. You don't know about tomorrow. No knowledge in this life is a waste. So if you are getting painful urination, you have a very big problem. You have to check whether PID is coming your way. Or painful menstruation, or irregular menstruation, or sometimes menstruation can cease, it will not come, or it is coming, it will not stop. So once you start getting those symptoms, know that you are battling with this problem or lower abdominal pain, you have pain in your lower abdomen, you always pain you all the time, or sometimes feverish. You've been battling with feverish off and on. Those are the symptoms. Once you start seeing those symptoms, know that PID might be coming your way. And when I started, I tell you guys the most common causes of PID. So if you start this video from the beginning, you are going to see the most common causes of PID. So I've explained all the symptoms to you. Once you start seeing the symptoms as a woman, knows that you can easily come across, you can easily have PID. So please, what are the common herbs that we can use? Please share the live video, double tap the screen and join me. Let's go on this journey of healing. We have different herbs which are common around our environment, which you can use in order to treat and prevent PID. We have common of them, they are all around your environment. You know them, you see them. Common plants, roots, like ginger. Ginger is one of those herbs that you can use in order to treat PID. If you know somebody is battling with PID, you can prepare ginger, you can add ginger. We have ginger, that's one. We have garlic, that's two. We have turmeric, that is three. We have many of them. We have dandelion leaves. You can use dandelion leaf. If somebody is battling with PID, those are the common plants that you can use in order to treat PID. We have holy basil. Holy basil, if you know about holy basil, double tap the screen. You have a lot of benefit, antibacterial, antimicrobial, antioxidant properties. Holy basil have it. So you can use ginger, you can use garlic, you can use turmeric, you can use dandelion, you can use holy basil. Even though you don't have holy basil, you can use either African basil, which is scent leaf. African basil can go for people that are battling with PID. We as a people, thank you, Chief Doctor. Thank you. I appreciate you, Chief Doctor. Natural Center, I appreciate you for joining. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for joining. So if you know somebody is battling with PID, these are the common plants that you can use in order to treat it. You can either dry them and get them into a fine powder and start taking them like a tea. If you have ginger powder, you can start taking ginger powder. You have garlic powder or dandelion powder or African basil powder or holy basil powder. If you have any of these, you can use them in order to treat PID, because most of these cases, it can be treated, can be prevented. Share the live video, double tap the screen, join me. Let's go on this journey of healing. PID is very common today because of the kind of things that happen around our society. You see, most people, they go through so many things. So by you sharing this live video, it's going to help somebody out there. If you want to, we have talked about how you can treat. You can actually dry all these things and get them into a fine powder, preserve it into a clean container, airlock container, and start taking them as a tea at home. Just boil water, 1 teacup, then you fetch the powder, 1 teaspoon, any of the powder, and ginger, water, garlic, turmeric, or dandelion, or sweet basil, or holy basil, any of these plants I mentioned below that you can access around your locality. Maybe you are living in an environment that you can only access dandelion, or you can only access African basil. You can use African basil in order to prevent and treat PID. You don't have the problem, but you might know somebody out there that is battling with this issue. By you sharing this video, is going to reach that person that is battling with this issue. And prevention, if you want to prevent PID. They are all common ways in order for you to prevent PID. And by you, if you are about to meet with any man of your choice, if you're not your husband, you have to use what we call protection. That's the first thing you need to do in order to prevent PID. Share the live video, double tap the screen, and join me. Let's go on this journey of healing. And women, what will and if you can do that, once you have regular different men always meeting with them, at the long run, PID can come your way, especially if you have ever have like gonorrhea or maybe candidiasis or stuff that was poorly treated, and you are meeting with more men in a month. You can meet with more 5, 6, 7 men in a month. So stay away. When you stay away and just choose to be with one man, and you are going to be blessed, and you are going to prevent PID, and you are going to treat PID if at all you have it. So share the live video, double tap the screen, and join me. Let's go on this journey of healing. Or maybe sometimes you are at home. You as a woman, you want to go and wash your inner skin as a woman. Don't use most of the soap that you guys don't use it to wash up your unders as a woman. Don't use it to wash up your private as a woman. We have this local soap that you can use as a woman if you want to wash, or just use normal clean water, or warm water that you can disinfect it. Use all this chemical soup. You can use all this chemical soup at the long run get PID, because there are some natural antibiotics inside there to prevent you not to get those type of problems. But once you are using those chemical soaps in your body, at the long run, you are weakening those bacteria inside there. At the long run, once maybe you have gonorrhea or you have candidiasis or syphilis, you can be easy to get PID. So by you using that local soap in order to wash you and PID. Join me. Let's go on this journey of healing. This African indigenous medicine. See, we are sick today because we disobey the Creator. So double tap the screen, share the live video, join me. Let's go on this journey of healing. Subscribe to all our social media handle. Do regular infection tests as a woman. If you immediately start seeing symptoms, painful menstruation, painful urination, when meeting with your partner, you are always having pains, lower abdominal pain after meeting with your partner. If you start seeing those symptoms, or you are getting some discharges that have some odor, go and run an infection test. If you can run that infection test, you are going to be free from PID. Share the live video, drop a comment below, join me. Let's go on this journey of healing. Subscribe to all our social media handle. Please don't be selfish. Just click on that share button. You care. You don't know the person, but by you sharing this video right now, it can reach that person that is battling with PID, and that person is going to be blessed because of you. Join me. Join me. Let's go on this journey of healing. Please While watching those our videos on, just go to our website. You are going to learn more about African indigenous plant, how to